Hi guys, today I am going to show you this new script I made that removes duplicate frames in anime clips. This is meant to drastically speed up the twixtoring process as you don't need to time remap all the character movements anymore. To use it, simply select your clips and click on Run Script. Sadly, this script is not too fast as it uses an highly intensive built-in expression in order to analyze the pixels. Don't worry if it says the program is not responding, just wait a moment until the process is complete. You can also analyze more than one layer at a time. Just select all the clips you want. If you have a very low NPC, you can try using the low accuracy mode as it is much faster, but less accurate. The script tries to avoid picking frames that have small background movements and compression artifacts. If you want to keep those small movements, select the Detect Small Movements box. If you still find some duplicate frames the script detected as different because of compression artifacts, like in this case, you can highlight the keyframes and click on the Remove Keyframes button. To install the script, locate the After Effects installation folder. Click on Support Files, Scripts, and Script UI Panels. Then drag and drop the script inside and restart After Effects. To actually use the script, click on the Window tab and select the script. Now you can hold left on the script name like I'm doing and place it wherever you want in the layout. If you feel confused about how the script and its settings work, you can open the file with any text editor and check out the instructions. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.